Action.
Action. Awesome. Welcome back, guys. Rescued and Restored Garage. I'm Carrie. Hubby's behind the counter. Well, I guess. And he's quit. I'm going to take the knowledge that I used in the last episode to try and do this all by myself. So, here we go. I got my 5/8 wrench, and I'm going to pull the spark plugs. I got a deep socket. And yes, it's on off. Oh, it's not deep enough. Huh.
Are you sure? I thought it was...
No, it won't go on any further. Okay. Well, this kind of poses a problem, doesn't it?
Yeah, because you're going to need that 5/8.
And
need the adapter. But we don't have... See, I'll have to grab the other driver. I'm going to pass you that. What you can do, baby, is show them the fact that we did get the manifolds off of video.
okay.
Not videotaping, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want, you can show them how we strapped up the transmission.
Oh, right.
So that
was interesting. That was fun.
So that it's not going to go anywhere. Safety first. And I'll go grab the bigger driver.
Okay. So, we already know we've been on this side. We're going to do the starter later. But we're going to get all of this off. And, like he said, okay. Get underneath here. I don't know if you girls can see this, but we've strapped up the transmission. Why? Because we are just that close to pulling this 262 out. Super excited. Then we're going to have to go get the 350, which is fine. Go borrow the engine puller, which is fine. So guys, we're getting so close. We're so excited. We're happy that you guys have come along the journey with us. And now, old person sounds. Okay, did you get me an extension?
So what I have gotten for you, baby, is you can see by this one, it goes from 1/2 or 1/2 inch to 3/8.
Right, which is that one.
Which is this size to the big size. Okay.
Okay.
Which is that, right?
Yeah, that's pretty big.
So what I've done is the opposite adapter. So this goes into the 1/2 inch, but the 3/8 driver, because this is the 1/2 inch driver.
That isn't huge.
I really don't think you're going to need that.
But I'm strong.
Yeah, that's why you got the little one. So I'll take that.
Okay.
Okay, back at her.
Take two.
Take two.
Here we go. Nailed it. Oh, stuck. I guess I can just do this, right? Once you get it all freaking loose.
Yeah.
It might be easier that way.
It will be.
In the bin.
In the bin.
That's two.
That's posing to be an issue.
Yep, but that's okay.
Minor setback.
See, the thing is on this side we've got the steering column
bar rack turner deal.
Place your analogy here. Okay, so now because when we took the manifolds off, apologize for the wind, it's
windy.
When we took the manifolds off, these two actually broke. So I don't think I'm going to need this this deep socket anymore.
Good point.
So we'll always put your tools back. It's not that strong. Help! I hold.
It's not going to take me long, but there you go.
Thank you.
I should have just told you to use the screwdriver, but hey, the struggle bus is real.
Hey, well, we're trying to do this in a timely fashion here because we'll be breaking it down, guys. So you guys can watch this. Oops. On your coffee breaks or your lunch hours and enjoy some funny.
Yeah, because what we're going to try to do, people, you tell us if it works. we're going to try to break these down to 15 to 20 minutes. It seems like a half an hour is kind of a bit long.
And so is an hour, because we just don't have the following yet.
Yeah, so we're trying to make these so that they're easy to watch. I know everybody is super duper busy with life, so if we can make these a little quicker, then that'll be a big plus.
Big plus.
So that's what we're going to try to do. So I'm going to be watching the time, and then every 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to shut her down and fire it back up again.
And don't worry, Scrapper, we'll say goodbye.
Yeah, we'll make sure that we end. He was like, I didn't get to hear the end. So that's
5/8.
That's 5/8, and now you want the impact.
Okay. Oh.
Yep, that ain't gonna work in there.
One. Okay, so do I want a deeper socket?
You might as well, baby, because that'll.
What did I do with it?
Right there.
Right. Okay, there's that. There's that. I think we're going off.
Okay, I'm gonna come to the other side. There's Domino, just loving life. You can see she does like her bones.
Murder scene out here.
Yep.
I hope.
Just spin them all off at once, baby. Yep, just drop them inside there. Perfect. You'll never get it with you.
If you're wondering why it's a little taller than before and I'm not sitting on the frame or the tire, it's because we had to jack it up to get them stinking manifolds off.
Yeah, that was
Those were a
brutal.
pain in the butt. Come on. That does not like to stay on there very well.
No, probably not.
Okay, I need to go over here because
Okay.
I don't have the reach like most people do. Oh.
Okay, one sec.
Yeah, I can get this one. Oh, you just need that. Come on, up. Okay.
You can just.
The utter concentration
Oh,
on my
yeah.
face.
Okay. Okay, careful. You want to make sure you don't lose.
Where'd that come from?
They're all there.
Oh, okay.
Yep. It's probably just because it's got some grime on it. That's why that one doesn't want to come off very nice. Or apparently that one.
That's 3. Okay, we're done with that.
Yep, you're going to need that. Maybe the bigger pry bar?
Nope, got it.
You got her?
Yeah. That one was down. There it is.
Oh boy.
Always one, right?
Always one. In this case, 2.
Yeah, well, this one's more contained. There we go. Okay, so that's all of those.
that back.
Speak softly and carry a big stick?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so that one's not bad. Oh yeah, I forgot about those.
I will help while you're, man, they are just tight in there. Like, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty tight.
It's a lot of gunk. That cylinder head looks a little cleaner than the other one, though.
Yeah, it does.
We did some research on these heads, and they're supposedly not bad. They're 424, I believe. They're just small ports, so they're good, I guess, for low-end torque and stuff like that, but not that great for anything else.
Are these 5/8 again?
Yes.
Okay. I'm on it.
Garbage.
Yes. All things considered, they're coming out pretty quick.
Well, you know, and that's, I find wild because they're high torque yield bolts.
Yep.
Except for that one. Need a breaker bar. Gonna need a breaker bar.
Gonna need a brake bar. Okay.
Just buy, okay.
What?
Well, hit what you can out and then just save that for last, baby.
Okay.
Because you may need have a couple other ones you don't know yet.
Right. Power tools. And I realize these are not designed for impacts, these sockets, but I mean,
It's what we got.
This is what we got. Okay, I gotta get in here.
Okay.
Sorry. Move you out of the way all the time.
Yeah, as I suspected. You ain't gonna be able to get in there with that. You're not even on it anymore. You're gonna need, we'll have to grab the big socket for that.
Okay, so let me just see if I can get these ones at
Yep.
the bottom
Might
as
as
best
well.
I can, and then we'll
Go from there.
from there.
Okay, make sure you spin them out. Like, just... There you go.
I guess that one's just coming
Yep.
up.
And just when you do that, spin them all the way out,
Yeah.
and then just throw them inside there. We can clean up
Afterwards.
after.
Okay.
In the bin.
In the bin. Is there any reason why those are longer?
Yep, because they have to go through the center of the head
Right.
to get into the block.
Gotcha. I am not a left-handed person.
Nope, but remember,
All right.
pry tool.
Pry tool.
That was fighting you hard.
I'll put the pry tool there.
Yep.
All right. Now, that one we couldn't get. This one we did get. Off.
You'll probably have to push the, or that works too. It's out, honey. You just got it. Yep.
Well, I'm yeah. Some of those we can't get. So
You're getting it. Oh, dang, there's water coming out of there.
I know. So, I panicked. I literally panicked. I thought, oh, crap, I screwed something.
That one was another tough one.
Yeah, it was. Oh. You should have probably had like a bin or something underneath there.
Meh. That's why I moved the cardboard out.
Touche. It peed.
It's leaking a little.
Okay, we'll be able to get in there with that.
Nope.
So now what do we need? We need this.
And the giant, well, probably the breaker bar first. Yep, I would probably. And
My
then
big stick.
that is your big stick.
Okay, so now I got to figure out which ones it was. Is that one?
No, it was this one.
This one? Okay, I just clearly did not get enough.
Oh, it's awkward, and that thing is huge.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Can't seem to get it back on now.
Oompa.
Well, it's moving. I can feel it move.
Yep.
Just not nearly as fast as my power tool that I have claimed in the name of Carrie. We'll have to buy you a new set. Okay, so that's pretty broken.
Yep.
Should I try this one? I should try this one.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Now see that you gotta. Do you want me to show you how to use that really before?
Before I break something?
Well,
Like me?
it's just, it's awkward and tough, and you really don't know yet. So I'm gonna show you. So what you're trying to do is just get on it. So you're just using this hand to guide the socket, and then this hand to pry. So now that is broken free. So I'm going to try. This one is gummed right up.
Do you want the brush?
No, I don't think I'll need the brush. It is really, really bad in there.
Okay.
So
that's a multi-purpose tool.
That is.
Oh, I heard it. Nice.
And I think this one. And you already broke that one free. You forgot to pull it out all the way.
Yep.
But this one, so see how
Yeah.
like I'm using this to guide, and then this is what I'm prying on.
Okay.
So that's, but now we got them all broke free.
And on that note, guys, we'll bring you back for the next episode. Because for the most part, oh, there you are. For the most part, we're on the next stage.
Yep. So we're going to stop here. We're going to continue, and then this will be the follow-up. The video that we're making will be the video that's coming up after this one.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep making memories.
Goodbye, Scrapper.
Goodbye. Okay, so